sunshine, and today we have our first official DIY video of 2019. Starting off the year, we're going to make DIY pop socket. There's a hair on my phone. Pop sockets, yes. DIY photo pop sockets of any photo you want. It's super easy. They're actually super cheap and super fun to make. I love a good pop socket. See, look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Isn't it beautiful? That's my baby. That's Rosie, which you met her in the last video. People's like, oh my god, how's the baby? I can be like, bam! Beautiful. So, let's just get right into this, shall we? So, let's do this. Starting with a pop socket. Any pop socket will do. I just got this one cheap from a little local shop for $2. And I get a picture, any picture you want, and cut it down to size to fit your pop socket. And then I'm going to take some Mod Podge and a foam brush, and I'm just going to brush on the Mod Podge onto the pop socket, and this is how I'm going to attach the picture. And then I'm just going to place it on it and let it dry. You can do this to as many pop sockets as you want to do. I made a bunch. Next, I'm going to take Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, and I'm just going to put this on my pop socket, and this is going to kind of make like a little glass-like barrier on top of the picture. It's going to secure it in and make it really pretty and shiny. So I'm just going to cover it, and if you have bubbles, all you have to do is take a needle and pop them, and it's done. The bottle says to dry for 3 to 4 hours, but I prefer to let it dry overnight to make sure it's fully dried, and that's literally it. You have a beautiful photo pop socket that you can customize and personalize with any photo that you want of your loved ones, or if you're like me, put your baby on there, and then you just stick it on your phone and you are ready to go. How simple are these super cute pop sockets? Make a billion. That's what I did. Give them as gifts or keep them all for yourself and make one for every phone case you got. They're super fun to make, and I just love them so much. Thank you guys for watching this video of how we made DIY pop sockets. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe. I got more DIY videos coming at you soon. Another one next week.